Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. This is the look I'm doing today. It's just a simple red holiday nail with some crystals. So if you're interested to see how I did these nails, then keep on watching. So I'm going to start off with my natural nails. They're not in a very good state right now, but yeah, I just kind of need to do them. So I'm basically wiping them with some acetone so I can dehydrate them, and then I'm buffing them kind of. So I'm just using like a buffing block. Just be very gentle with this and wipe away the dust because you don't want that to get in your polygel. Then for today's video, I am using a peel off base coat. This is one from Global, and this is a really good peel off base. If you haven't tried, I definitely recommend that you try it. It's really good at popping off your nails after, and you just want to apply a thin layer. Don't apply a layer that's too thick. Otherwise your nails can kind of pop off in the process of doing them. Then if you watched my last video, you would have seen that I broke my nail clippers. So I actually realized that I had this like box of nails from a different brand called Lofuna or Lofina or something like that. I will link them down below. They're like an Amazon store, and they had these really cute pink nail clippers, so I was really happy to see these. And yeah, these worked really good, and that's basically what I'm using for today. And I'm also using the nail tips, which I didn't ever use, I don't think, but this nail tip set does come with glue and files, so that's really good. And I was just like sizing up my nails until I realized that they don't have sizes for my nails. Like, they're extremely big. I had to basically use the last two nails to do my whole set, so I used the smallest size for pretty much all my nails. And for the pinky finger, I had to like really clip and file down the nails, which is why I think I never used these tips, because they just did not have my size. So anyway, moving forward, I'm just applying base coat. This is to like prep your nails for the polygel, for the tips. So you definitely want to do a nice thin layer of that. Be careful not to get it on your skin as well. If you do, that's fine, just clean it up. Then we're going to move on to application of nail tips. So how I like to do this is just apply a thin layer of the base coat to the tip and then onto my nail, and I'll have my my larger like lamps preset on the side. So I will set it to 60 seconds, have it ready, put the nail tip on, and then cure. So now I'm just showing you how I like took down a majority of like the nail down, because this was just really big for my nail. It was like double the size, and it's really disappointing because they have like a really nice like packaging. They also have some really other cool products on their Amazon store, but these tips don't come in very good sizes, so that's actually a shame. As for the nail tip cutter, it worked really well. There was absolutely no problems with it, so I'm just glad I have like a spare one lying around. And with these tips, because I use such a small size on pretty much all of them, I found that I could get like a really narrow, like extreme coffin shape, which I've never done before. So I was really excited for these because I'd never tried these. And what I'm doing now is just basically taking down the side walls, and I'm kind of basically making them a little bit more narrow just because I wanted that really extreme coffin shape. Then what you want to do is remove the shine off the nail tip, because this will basically help your polygel to adhere. You don't kind of have to do this with an e-file, but if you do have one, it is handy. But you should be at least blending the tip where it meets the natural nail, because this will like prevent like any uneven polygel application and remove like any bumps. So this is definitely an important step you don't want to miss. You can also use your hand file to do this. You don't have to use like an e-file, or you could also get away with using like a buffer. So today I'm using the red polygel from Makartt's Rainbow Polygel kit, and I'm basically applying that to 3 of my nails. It's going to be this one, the ring, and the thumb, and using the base coat as slip solution. You guys know I love to do this. It's just such a great way to apply polygel, in my opinion. It helps you get smoother application, it's faster, you don't have to deal with like a sticky brush, you know, it's just really, really good. So all I'm doing is applying that nice and thin, and that's pretty much what I'm gonna do for most of the other nails too. And I just want to quickly mention, I do have a discount code with Makartt, so it's nails by Kamin, and it gives you 15% off Makartt's website or any of their websites. So you can use this on any website that you wish to use it on. And they have like really cool polygel products, they have really good nail art products, gel polish, you name it, they pretty much have it all. So if you're interested in buying anything from Makartt, you can definitely get some money off by using my code, and it is also a affiliate link. So this polygel I actually got with their Christmas nail lab box, which was really nice. It's like this darkish red glitter polygel. It kind of reminds me of jam. I don't know why, but it just looks like jam to me, and it's just really, really pretty. And I thought this would be perfect for Christmas time, you know, the winter season. I thought this would be really, really good. So I'm basically doing a full nail of that. I wanted today's video to be a little bit more like simple. I know I've been doing quite a lot of nail art recently, so I kind of just wanted to do something a little bit more simple, something that maybe people can do if they're more like beginners or not too comfortable with nail art. Then you can definitely get away with doing some polygel with crystals. That's also a really nice way to do your nails. And I'm just doing this on the pinky finger as well. And as you can see, it's just such a nice red. I really liked all the reds that I used today. I do feel like they were coming off a little bit more like neon on camera, especially the red from the rainbow polygel kit, but yeah, they were just really, really stunning reds. And once that's done, I'm just curing with my Makartt mini LED light, which I'm absolutely in love with since they've sent me one. I really, really like. So yeah, if you're looking for a good light, that is a really good place to start. Now I'm just filing. My filing routine is pretty simple. I try to get my application as smooth as I can and my shape as good as I can. And then what I pretty much do with my e-file is kind of smooth over the top and further enhance the shape. And that's pretty much all I do. I don't do like any major like reshaping or debulking. I just pretty much smooth over the top, make sure it's even, and enhance my shape, and that's pretty much it. I then go in with like my hand file to further get a crisp shape, but this is optional. If you don't want to do that, that's fine. As you can see, I also like to use my e-file to get a good shape. It just helps me save time later when I'm hand filing. So yeah, that's pretty much my whole filing routine.
Sitting throwing rocks across the pavement, hoping it'll cave in and swallow me whole. Wonder why my mind keeps on spinning. This isn't how living to me was told. Why am I like this? Something's always amiss. Can't put my finger on it, but it's there. Wait for it to subside, but my mind won't apply. Waiting for the clear. Is it bad sometimes? I like it when I lose control. There's something in it that's so beautiful. can see the light.
So we're now gonna just apply some top coat. I like to do this just because I don't want to place the crystals and then have to apply top coat. I just like to apply top coat and then do the crystals on top. So doing top coat, these colors look so stunning with top coat. I just really liked how like all the reds were just so beautiful together. I really liked these reds. They were really nice. It's a shame they're coming off a little bit more vibrant on camera, but they're more like a true classic deeper tone red. Not that deep, but it's, I don't know, it's just nicer in person. So that's what the nails were looking like so far. For some reason I just felt like these looked a lot like the Makartt press-ons, you know. I don't know, I just thought that they felt like some press-ons to me. They didn't really look like polygel. I don't know why, but yeah, so far loving them. And the top coat I'm using is actually not from Makartt, it's from a different brand, but I will link it down below if I can find it. If not, I will link Makartt's base and top because I just happened to run out of theirs. So on to the crystal placement. This is pretty much the main part of the whole design, let's say. So I'm just basically doing some crystals randomly. I was kind of coming up with this as I went along, and I also took out some big crystals that I kind of felt that I wanted to have on the nail. But yeah, this is pretty much what I'm doing. It's pretty much me going all the way down the nail because I feel like it's such a simple set with just the polygel that I really wanted to make it look more glammed up with the crystals. So I was kind of going heavy on those, and I really liked how this looked. Some of these crystal placements were from like a reference picture online from just Google, so I will try to like credit that person down below, but it's Google, so I don't really know where it's from. It was a bit difficult to find, but I will try if it's there. And these crystals, I believe I got them from AliExpress. The like big box that you see there, that was from AliExpress. And the micro beads, they're from like a local store around my area. You can find these anywhere, Amazon, I don't know, you can just find them anywhere. Very easy to find these little micro beads. And the little crystals that I have under the micro beads, they are from Makartt's polygel kit that I was sent for the breast cancer nails. If you haven't seen that video, I will link it down below, but it's such a good like starters crystals kind of box because you could just do so much with it, and they're so simple, and I really like them. So I find that I use it actually quite a lot, these crystals, and you get so many that it's just such good value for money. So if you're looking for some good basic crystals, you could definitely check them out. They're not Swarovskis, but yeah, they will last you a couple of weeks, let's say. So finishing off with the cuticle oil, I am so far loving the nails. I just thought they looked so nice. I haven't done a red nail in forever. I don't even remember when I did like a complete full set of red nails. Massage the oil in. My cuticles were definitely super dry, especially from not oiling them, which I'm guilty of. So don't forget to apply your cuticle oil, and I'm just again going in and rubbing that in. And that is it for the nail set today. I really like how this came out. Please let me know down below what you think. Do you think you would try this? Would you wear this for, I don't know, Christmas or the holidays? Let me know. Yeah, this was super fun to make. Again, don't forget to use my discount code at nailedbyk for 15% off Makartt. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
No sound. I'll find validity